Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking Sephora. I will be unboxing my Sephora Play Box from the month of December, and I will be telling you what I thought of every product and the approximate retail value. Sephora's theme for the month of December was Cheers to Beauty, and the bag was the little plastic zippy bag thing again. Don't hate it, but they just go directly into the trash. As always, every box comes with this handy dandy little pamphlet. It includes a little card for 50 extra beauty insider points when you make a purchase in the month, and then it folds out into this bigger handy dandy pamphlet that tells you exactly what is in your box, why they picked it, and how to use it. And then, as you can see here, the cool thing that Sephora did this month, like Ipsy, was they gave you an extra trial size as like a little fun December holiday surprise. I also just wanted to point out the cool graphic design on the full side of the back. It kind of gives you stats for everything for the year. So like the most loved box was from June. That's how many lipsticks they shipped, 3.2 million, a lot. So I just thought this was really cool. Again, love the graphic design. The first product that I got is this TRÈSTIQUE mini lip glaze in the shade Paris Pink. It is a pretty color. I am wearing it right now, but I do have to say it is kind of chalky. It does kind of dry out, and it does not last for a long time. So that's kind of disappointing. The other thing is that on the Sephora website, the mini lip glaze actually comes with a lip primer moisturizer hydrator thing and like a double-ended stick. So this mini lip glaze is basically the entire full size of the lip glaze on the double set. Does that make sense? This is basically just missing the moisturizer part to be a complete full size, which kind of sucks because I would love to see how this actually applies with the moisturizer primer hydrator thing for your lips that they give you, because right now it's just kind of disappointing and chalky. Again, like I mentioned, this is basically the full size. It is 0.7 grams and the full size is 0.8 grams of lip glaze. So again, almost the full size, but the approximate retail value is $21.88. Next is this Touch in Soul Metallist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo in the shade number 24, Titiana, like the Fairy Queen. I was not super impressed with this. I don't know if you can tell, but it almost looks like it's dried out there. You see where it's, yeah, it's kind of dried out. It doesn't work really well. It feels super sticky, like the shadow sticky part doesn't really dry down as much as I thought it would. And then the glitter is just like super messy. They give you this weird kind of spatula thing to get the glitter out. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this because you can't scoop it the way you can't, yeah, see, you can't scoop it. I don't know what they were thinking with this. It should be like a very cool little like toss and go type makeup product, but it's pretty useless, and I will literally just be throwing it away because I was not happy with this at all. The other thing is that I could not find an ounceage or approximate size on the little sample size, so I wasn't able to calculate exactly how much this is worth, so I did not include it in my final total, also because I'm throwing it away. So next up is another product that I will be throwing directly in the trash. This is the DP Hue ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. It's a shampoo and conditioner substitute. So you just squeeze it in your hair and let it sit, like rub it into your scalp and just kind of let it sit, and then you rinse it out, and you aren't supposed to use any other shampoo and conditioner with it. It is supposed to kind of strip the impurities out of your hair, cleanse your scalp, cleanse your hair, and I was excited about this because I use apple cider vinegar actually in a homemade toner of mine, and I really like that homemade toner. Like apple cider vinegar, it's supposed to be good for you, it's supposed to be good for your skin. So I was excited about this and ultimately disappointed. I don't think it did a very good job of cleansing my hair or my scalp, and it also just left my hair feeling incredibly greasy no matter how much I rinsed, and I rinsed my hair so much. I really tried to get it all out of my hair, and it just felt super greasy and silicone-y, and yeah, I was just not really thrilled with this. But the approximate retail value for this sample size is $4.12. Next is the classic Tarte mascara. This is their Lights Camera Action 4-in-1 mascara. I like it. It's Tarte. I like a lot of things that are Tarte. I like most things that are Tarte. This is no exception. I am wearing it. It makes my lashes look amazing. It's just really pretty. It's just a nice mascara. It's a good, solid go-to mascara. The approximate retail value for the Tarte mascara is $9.86. Next is this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Like this, don't love it. It's definitely not 72 hours. It feels like it immediately soaks into my skin and I need more moisture. That could also just be because my skin sucks right now. Long story, don't know what's going on. But it just kind of sucks, and it's winter and it's humid and it's just a mess in Florida. I mean, we're always a mess in Florida and I'm always a mess, but like, anyways, back to the product. Yeah, didn't love this. Kind of disappointed. Will continue to use it, but I did not feel like that 72-hour moisture claim was legitimate. The approximate retail value for this product is $5.60. And then last but not least is the bonus product, which I was actually very excited about. This is the BECCA Cosmetics First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So it's a purplish glittery tinted primer, and whoo, does it make my skin look nice. I did not use it today because my skin, as I said before, is freaking out, but I did use this week. It looks amazing on my skin. It makes my skin look beautiful and glowy all day, and it does help cut down on the redness and dullness of my skin right now. So I was very impressed with this. I love BECCA, and I was very pleased with this as an extra product in my December glam bag. Alright, so if you were not keeping track, that brings the approximate retail value of my December Sephora Play Box up to $49.06, which is a very good value. That is including the BECCA primer, which is the extra product, and that is not including the Horrible Touch and Soul duo eyeshadow thing, which I could not find a value for and just sucked. So there we are. Pretty good. I was pretty excited about everything in this box. Didn't love everything, but I'm glad I got to try it. So that's where I stand.